Libraries are no longer just places to borrow books. In 2025, they are transforming into dynamic. Artificial intelligence is leading the way, offering personalized learning experiences and smarter cataloging systems that make information easier to find than ever. With augmented reality and virtual reality, libraries are creating immersive educational environments where learning feels like an adventure.
Blockchain is adding transparency and security, especially in managing digital rights and verifying transactions.
Robotics is stepping in too. From inventory management to automating basic services, robots are helping librarians focus on tasks that matter most.
Libraries are also embracing open-source software, reducing costs, encouraging innovation, and building stronger communities.
And with the Internet of Things, real-time data collection and smart systems are making libraries more responsive, efficient, and sustainable.
In 2025, libraries are not just repositories of knowledge. They are interactive, secure, and personal.